There are so many different varieties of tacos, but fish tacos, they always get my attention. I just love them. And here's a very simple recipe using some snapper. Now, instead of doing this in the oven or in some pans, I'm going to be doing it all in my air fryer. And this air fryer, well, it's more than an air fryer. It also steams and it grills. So I've been preheating my air fryer and I've just been warming up some tortillas. So I've just warmed them up in some foil. I'll place them onto a plate and we'll just pop the basket back in to heat further just while we prepare the fish. So this is a gorgeous fillet of snapper, one side of snapper. The amount of snapper really depends on how large it is. You can get little snapper or large ones. So if you want to serve 4, you want about 2 fillets of this size. I've pin boned it and we want to oil it. So just a small amount of extra virgin olive oil. Now the grill plate that I'm going to be using in the air fryer is non-stick, so we don't have to worry about this delicate fish sticking. So just another bit of oil on the skin here, just for that gorgeous flavour, and a thin coat of that. Now I'll add some salt to season, so a good pinch of salt, again on both sides. And I'm using snapper, but there's no reason why you can't use other fish fillets. Some flathead fillets would be fantastic, mahi-mahi, blue eye, even salmon works a treat. Instead of adding some pepper to this, what I love is coriander. Now, not ground coriander, but coriander seeds that have been crushed. It has a really lovely nutty, lemony flavour and goes so well with the fish. So just a light amount of that onto the flesh side. You don't want to be toasting off the spices because it will toast as it cooks in the air fryer. So we'll open up the basket. As you can see, the grill plate's there and we're going to pop that straight on. Now you can hear that sizzle, that's what we're after to get those lovely grill marks. And I'm not even going to turn the fish because we've got that 360-degree heat in the air fryer. We'll get top heating and then char grill marks on the base. So this won't take long at all to cook. In it goes. The best thing about this is it's smokeless, so the house won't smell like fish at all. So while that's cooking, I'm just going to get a really quick salsa ready, a combination of tomatoes, lime, onion and coriander. Come out and I'm just allowing it to rest slightly. You can see those gorgeous char marks. That's what we're after. I like to finish it off with just a little lime and some more salt, a small pinch. And to finish this off, some cabbage. I love crunch in my tacos. So just some classic cabbage, very finely shredded. You could also just use some cos lettuce for this or some iceberg lettuce. And we'll just pile this up into a bowl, just on the side. You could make these individually, but because the fish just looks so good, I just love to pop everything onto a platter. And then the whole fun about tacos is making it at the table. So for a little sauce, some creme fraiche, I like the tanginess of it. You could also use sour cream or even yogurt is really good with fish. So a nice dollop into another bowl. Just getting our platter ready here. Big dollop. Squish that down, get a little indent. And the warm tortillas, I've just left them in the foil so they do stay warm. Take them out, see how soft and pliable they are. Just gonna pile them up on the side. And this salsa, pico de gallo, which is the combination of onions, tomato, coriander, loads of lime and a pinch of salt. Look at those colours, happy colours with wonderful tacos. Again, we'll place that in a bowl on the side. And for all the coriander lovers, a few more sprigs of coriander can go onto the platter next to that lime that we've used for a pop of colour too. Char grilled snapper done in the air fryer. All you need to do is take that to the table and let everyone make their own tacos.